Hello there, Nareg is here. Today I'm going to talk about the operations with sets. Now, there are three main operations related to the sets. The first one is intersection, and then you have union, and finally complement. So let's start with the first one, which is intersection. Now, if you follow my previous video related to what is a set, you're going to understand how do I represent a set, what are the symbols that we can use between element and set, subset and set, etc. So in this case, what do we mean by intersection? Let's say we have two sets which are A and the set which is B. Alright, these are the two sets A and B. Now, as you can see, there is a common part between A and B. So this common part is actually the part where A and B intersect. So this part is denoted by A inter B. These are the common elements of A and B at the same time. So this is what we mean by intersection. Of course, I'm going to take an example, but first let me just introduce the ideas about intersection, union, and complement. Now, what about the union? Whenever we have union, again, let's say we have the set A and we have the set B. Whenever I'm talking about the union of A and B, it is noted by A union B. It's the elements of A, the elements of B, or the elements of A and B at the same time. So you have to simply collect the elements of A and B plus even the common ones between A and B. So this is what we mean by union. And finally, we have complement. So what about the complement? In this case, let's say this is our set E, and then we have a subset in E which is called A. The complement is denoted by A bar. Alright, A bar. So A bar is actually the whole part of E which is outside A. So it's the part which will complement A in order to get E. So A bar is the part which is in yellow. Alright. Let's go and take an example, and with this example we're gonna of course study the different operations between sets, and of course we're gonna understand more about these ideas. Let's say we have the initial set which is E, formed by the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, I have a subset which is called A. It is formed by 1, 2, 5, 7, and a set B, or a subset, which is formed by the elements 2, 3, 5, 8. Okay, now let's say the question was, what is the complement of A? So it is noted by A bar. So what is the complement of A? You simply have to check. A is formed by 1, 2, 5, 7, and then from the set E you try to find out the elements which are not included in A. So 1 is included in A, so I forget about it. 2 also. 3, 4, 5, no, 6, 7, and 8. So 7 is excluded, 8 is included in the complement. In case you noticed, A is 1, 2, 5, 7 and A bar is 3, 4, 6, 8. When they complement each other in order to form the set which is E. Now what about B bar, or the complement of B? So in this case you will have to say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. Alright. What about, let's say, A inter B? A inter B, you have to find out the common elements between A and B. 1 is not common, 2 is common, so 2 and 5. What about A union B? Whenever we're going to talk about union, so you have to join the elements of A and B, even the common ones. So you have to say it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 8. This is A union B. What about A bar, or the complement of A, intersected by A itself? What are the common elements between A and its complement? So you have to check, there are no common elements, so it's the empty set. Alright. I'm gonna use another color in order to take some other examples. Let's say we had A bar union B bar, A bar union B bar. So in this case you pick A bar and B bar, the complement of A and the complement of B, and you unite the elements. So it's 1, 3, 4, 6, 7 and 8. Alright. In case you had to find out A union B, the complement of A union B, so you need to find out A union B first, which is here, and then the complement regarding, of course, the set E. So 1, 2, 3, you have the element 4 and then the element 6. So this is A union B, the complement actually of A union B. What about let's take another color. So what about A bar inter B bar? So intersection between A bar and B bar. So this is A bar and B bar, the complement of A and the complement of B. So you need to find out the elements which are common, so 4 and 6. Alright. In case the question was what is A inter B, the complement, you need to find A inter B and then regarding the set E, choose what is remaining. 1, 3, 4, 6, 7 and 8. Alright, so these are some operations between sets and subsets. Now in case you want to, of course, represent them, you're going to use a diagram of E, and then A will be a subset, of course B also will be a subset, and you're going to have some common points. So why not represent them by doing a certain diagram? So this is E, which is formed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The subset A is formed by 1, 2, 5, 7, 1, 2, 5, 7. So this is your subset A. What about the subset B? Is 2, 3, 5, 8, 2, 3, 5, 8. So I'm going to choose another colors. 2, 3, 5, 8. So this is your subset, which is B. As you can see, By using these colors, you're going to be able to find out which are the elements common between A and B. It's 2, 5, and that is how we were able to find out A inter B is 2, 5, etc. So in case you want to use this diagram or simply use the sets above E, A, and B, you will be able to do these operations between the sets. That's all for this video. Why don't you subscribe to my channel, and you'll be notified whenever I upload new material or new videos. I can also share with you my Instagram, Facebook account in case you want to contact me, or you can simply leave a comment below. That's all for this time. See you later.